learning something known as a line plot. Do you know, Rohan, what's a line plot is?
No.
No, you don't know? Okay, that's fine. We would learn today. Okay, so a line plot is, let's say that we have something like this. Have you seen a number line, Rohan, before?
Yeah.
A number line, okay, that's great. So you've seen a number line. So a number line can have all the whole numbers on it, right? Basically, a
Yeah.
number line can have all integers in it. It can have any number, right?
Yeah.
So basically, we say that in a line plot, the question gives us a number line, okay? Let's say
Yeah.
that here we have a number, we have a line plot which is going to represent, just a second, this, hold on. Okay, so this line plot is going to represent, okay, let's say the amount of water, the amount of water each kid drinks per day. Okay, let's say that this is the data collected from your class. Okay, let's say
Yeah.
somebody went to your school and they collected this particular data from your class. Okay, so in the class they asked each kid and they found that the following is the amount of water that each of the kids drink per day. Okay,
Okay.
now here the line plot is somewhat like this. Let's say this is 0, this is 1/4, this is 1/2, this is 3/4, this is 1, this is 5/4, this is 3/2, this is 7/4, and this is, let's say, 2. Okay, this is the line plot which is given to us. This is what the question has given to us. Fine. Okay,
Okay.
Rohan. All
Okay.
right. Now, what does these numbers indicate? The amount of water in liter. Okay, amount of water in liter. That means on the number line, every number would indicate, starting from the left, 0 liter, 1/4 liter, 1/2 liter, 3/4 liter, 1 liter, 5/4 liter, and so on. Okay, so all these values are nothing but the amount of water in liter. Okay, fine, Rohan.
Yeah.
Now
Fine.
let's say that two kids drink 1/2 liter of water per day. Okay,
Yeah.
one kid drinks one kid drinks 1 liter of water every day, and three kid drinks 5/4 liter of water every day. Also, two kids drink 2 liter of water every day. Okay. Now, why did I put the cross? Because the question would also tell us that one cross indicates one student. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
That if you try to check one of the values, that is, let's say how many students drink 1/2 liter of water each day, you would see that if you go to 1/2, there are two crosses, right? That means how many
Yeah.
students drink 1/2 liter of water every day?
Yeah. Two.
How many students?
Two students.
Two students drink 1/2 liter of water every day. Can you tell me, Rohan, how many students drink 5/4 liter of water every day?
Three students.
Three students. Very good. This is exactly what we have to do with the help of line plot. That is, a line plot would be given to us. All necessary information would be given to us. We need to look at the line plot, understand it, and answer some very simple questions which would be related to the line plot. Okay, Rohan, got it?
Okay.
That's great. Then let's have some questions on this line plot. It's very easy. Okay. I'm just keeping the line plot in here. Alright?
Okay.
Let's have the first question. The first question is how many students drink more than 1 liter of water each day? Okay, how many students drink more than 1 liter of water each day? Can you tell me, Rohan?
Okay. Yeah, I know.
Okay, tell me how many?
5 students.
5 students. And how did you check that?
Yeah, so I first look at 1 on the number line,
Hmm.
and then I see how many, like, I look at every single, I look at all the crosses that are in front of the 1, and then I count them
Okay,
all.
not in front of the one, that is after one, right?
Yeah.
So after one, we see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 crosses, isn't it? So
Yeah.
there are 5 students who drink more than 1 liter of water every day. So that's great. The answer is 5 students. Very good. Isn't it really easy, Rohan? These are the kind of questions that would be asked related to the number line, related to
Yeah.
line plot. Okay. Let's
Okay.
have the second question. The second question is how much how much total amount of water did all students drink together on that one day? Did you get the question, Rohan?
Okay.
Let's say the
Okay.
survey
Okay.
was
Yeah.
done on one, how much?
Wait. Okay. How much total
How much
water?
total amount of water did all the students drink together on the one day? That means the survey was done on one particular day, right, Rohan?
Yeah.
And this particular data is also for one day. That
Okay.
is one for one whole day, how much is the amount of water each kid drinks, right? So we need to find out how much is the total amount of water that all the students drank together in that one particular day. Are you working on it, Rohan?
Yeah. Yeah. I'm working on it.
Okay, okay.
I got the answer.
Yep, what's your answer?
4, 3 over 4.
4 3/4 liter?
Yeah. Yeah. 4, 3/4 liters.
Okay, let's see if that's the correct answer or not. Okay, so let's find out what is the total amount of water that all the kids drank together. So what do we see, Rohan? We see that two students drank 1/2 liter, right?
Oh
So
yeah.
let's add that. So how much do we have? We
Oh,
have
okay. Wait, I think I did it wrong.
2 times. What happened? Did you make any mistake? Did you check it?
Yeah, yeah,
Hmm?
yeah. I made a mistake.
Okay. Don't rush, as I say. Take your time. This is something new that you're learning, Rohan. So take your time. Okay. So 2 times 1/2 is the first number set, right? Next, plus. What do we see? We see that there's one kid who drinks 1 liter per day, right? So what do we have? Plus 1, correct?
Yeah,
Next, what do we see? Next, we see that there are 3 kids who drink 5/4 liter of water, right? So what can we
yeah,
say? We have 3 times 5/4, correct?
yeah,
Next, what do we have? Next, we have 2 kids drink 2 liters of water, right? So we
yeah.
have 2 times 2 total liters of water, right? Now let's just
Yeah.
add all of them together and find out how much do we get. So we have 2 times 1/2, which is equal to
Yeah. 2 times what? Yeah, that's equal to yeah, 1.
1. Plus we have 1, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Plus
Yeah.
we
So
have
the
3 times 5/4, which is equal to 15
um
over 4, right?
yeah,
Isn't it? Plus we
yeah,
have 2 times 2, which is equal to
4.
4. Very good. Now what do we see? We can just simply have the LCM in the denominator, correct? So
Yeah.
if we have the LCM in the denominator, for the first one we would have 1 times 4, that is 4. Plus second one as well, we would have 1 times 4, that is 4. Plus for this one we would have 15. Plus for this one we would have 4 times 4, which is
6. Oh,
16. Very good.
yeah.
16. So what do we have in the numerator? We have 4 plus 4 plus 15 plus 16, which is equal to
Yeah. 39.
39. So we have 39 over 4, correct? Let's
Yeah.
just calculate and find out. So 39 over 4, if we try to, just divide it and find the answer. So
Yeah, it's
39,
9. 3 over 4.
4 times how much do we take?
Yeah, you take 9.
9, which is equal to 36, right?
Yeah.
So 39 minus 36 is 3, correct?
Yeah,
So
9
therefore, this
and
is
3.
equal to 9 whole 3/4
Yeah.
liter. Do not forget the unit, Rohan. The
Yeah.
unit is liter, which is very important. Okay? So what do we
Okay.
see? We see that on that particular day, or rather each day, all the students together drink 9 whole 3/4 liter of water.
Yeah.
Okay, got it? Is it
Yeah.
clear? Okay,
Yes.
that's great. This was the second question on the line plot. Now let's have the third question. The third question on the line plot is we have, let's say that if if all students would have if all students would have taken the same amount of water that day, how much would each one have taken? Have you understood the question, Rohan? If all students would have taken the same amount of water that day, how much would each one have taken?
No, I don't get the question.
You don't get the question? Okay, let's say that we just found out, Rohan, that the total amount of water that was taken up by all the children on that one particular day was 9 whole 3/4 liter, isn't it?
Yeah.
Correct?
Yes.
Now the question wants us to imagine that suppose all the kids take equal amount of water each day. I mean this entire 9 whole 3/4 liter is distributed equally among all the kids of the class.
Yeah.
Okay? Then we need to find out how much would be the share for each kid.
Okay. Yeah. First
Are
thing.
you getting it now? Just
Yeah.
look at the
Yeah.
question once more. Look
I
at the
need to go
question
to the
once more.
bathroom.
Yes,
I need
yes.
to go
It's
to.
okay, Rohan, if you got the answer. Just look at the question once more.
No, I need
So,
to go to the bathroom.
okay, fine. Just come back quick, okay?
Yeah, I'm back. I'm back.
Okay, Rohan. Alright, so yeah. So what I was saying is that I want you to go over the question once more to try and relate with what exactly we have to do. See, look at the question. If all students would have taken the same amount of water that day, how much would each one have taken? Even though the question has not stated that the total water needs to be divided equally among all the kids, we can easily understand that because we see from the line plot the total amount of water taken on that day would remain the same, isn't it? The total would not change because there are the same number of kids and they would take the same number of, same amount of water each day, isn't it? So the total would not change. It's just that the question wants us to imagine a situation where that total amount would be divided equally among all the kids. Right? Are you getting it? Are you getting it,
Oh.
Rohan?
Yeah, I am.
Yes. Okay, let's see then. Would you like to give it a try?
Okay.
Okay.
I don't know.
Really, Rohan? We just have to divide the total amount of water equally among all the kids. That's it. How many total number of kids are there?
8.
8, right?
Yeah.
And what
Yeah.
is the total amount of water?
9 and 3/4.
9 and 3/4. Okay, but here we have to divide, right? So it's better that we keep it in the improper fraction, right?
Yeah.
So tell me in the improper fraction, what is it?
What?
Total amount of water is equal to, yes,
I forgot the improper fraction.
Okay, it is here. Let's see. 39 over 4, right?
Yeah.
So it was 39 over 4 liters, right?
Okay. Okay, I think I can do it now.
Okay, total number of kids is equal to 8. Therefore, amount of water for each kid would be equal to what? That is what you have to find out.
Yeah, I got the answer.
Okay, and what is it, Rohan?
Yeah. 1 and 7 over 32.
Very good. Absolutely right. It's basically 39 over 4 liters divided into 8 children, right? So it is
Yeah.
equal to 39 over 4 times 1 over 8. Correct? So that is nothing
Yeah.
but this is equal to 39 over 32 liter. Don't forget the unit. So 39 over 32 liter, if we just try and divide it quickly, we would get by, for 39, if we divide it by 32, we would just get 1 at the top, and 39 minus 32 would give us 7, right? So we have 1 whole 7 over 32 is equal to 1 whole 7 over 32 liters of water would be taken up by each of the kid, isn't it? If it is divided equally among all. Got it, Rohan? Is it
Yeah.
clear? Clear to
Yeah.
you? Okay, now make sure you take all of it. Just give me a second. I will just draw some lines so that it becomes easier for you. Give me some time, Rohan. Okay, Rohan, so take it in sections, okay? First, take up only the line plot.
Okay. Okay, I took a screenshot.
Okay, fine. Next, take up the first question.
Yeah, I took a screenshot.
Okay, take the, now take the second question.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Done?
Yeah, I took a screenshot. Yeah.
Now take the third question. Just a second, Rohan.
I took a screenshot.
Rohan, wait, it's not completed yet. Yes, I would have to adjust it. So let me do that. Yes, now take it.
Okay. Yeah, I took a screenshot.
Oh, that's great. So now is line plot clear, Rohan? Because I think one
Yeah.
question was to understand what exactly is needed to be done, right? So in the same way,
Yeah.
there are line plots given to you, and there will be some question asked depending upon the line plot, okay?